Hey everyone, my name is Adrian Ailabaco from 22BSIS 1T. From me, a personal research who embodies excellent management is Jaime Agosto Dizal de Ayala. Siya ang Chairman and CEO of Ayala Corporation. Napapakita niya lagi ang remarkable leadership in exploration sector, katulad sa real estate, telecommunication, banking, and more. Suddenly Ayala's commitment to sustainable development, innovation, and cooperation social responsibility stand out. His ability to state to diversification, collaborate, while maintain a strong aesthetical foundation and cooperating to the community make him a prime example of effective management in the Philippines. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.